Experiencing a charging case LED that won't light up on your AirPods Pro 3? You're not alone. Since their release in September 2024, many users have reported this problem, where the charging case LED fails to illuminate when charging. This indicates a potential hardware or software issue. The LED should normally display green when fully charged and amber while charging. A no light situation suggests a fault. There are a few reasons why this might happen, like a fully drained battery, a faulty LED component, or a software glitch preventing the LED from activating. Apple has acknowledged this, and recent iOS updates like 18.2 include diagnostic tools to address it, but it remains a common problem. First, try a full charge cycle. Connect the case to a power source and leave it for a few hours. Sometimes a deeply discharged battery needs time to recover. Next, try resetting the case by pressing and holding the setup button on the back for 15 seconds until the LED flashes amber. Check your iPhone's battery widget for the AirPods charge status to see if they're actually charging despite the LED. Update to the latest iOS version as Apple has included software patches. If these steps don't work, it might be a hardware problem. Consider contacting Apple support, especially if your AirPods are still under warranty, now extended to 24 months for this issue. Note that third-party repairs may fix the problem by resoldering or replacing components, but voiding any Apple warranty.